Good morning India, good morning people around the world. Welcome to day 19 of 100 before coffee and chai. I hope all of you respected your rest day yesterday, a day where you rest, you relax, you spend more time in the parasympathetic nervous system, you set your intentions for the week ahead. That's why we have a break on Sunday, but we still show up. We show up in a different form. We show up to rest, respect, recovery. And today is day 19. We're going to get into 100 skips. Good to see so many of you from different countries across the world logging in. If you miss this time because it doesn't suit you, your work schedule, your time zone, the country you live in, it's on all of our social media pages. All you need to do is show up at any time in the day and do your 100 skips. If you cannot do 100 skips, you march in place, do push-ups, dance, pull-ups, breath work, whatever it is. This is not a fitness challenge. This is about you and me showing up every single day and letting this, roll into our daily lives where we stop showing up. And we start to see all our problems and our sufferings and what we don't get start to happen because we didn't show up. We lost the power of consistency. Let's get straight into 100 skips followed by our 3 powerful stress reset breaths. 3, 2, 1. 10. 20. 30. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10. Just threw in an extra 10, 110, because this is becoming a little bit too easy for many people. And for those who are just starting off and you've hit 20 and 30 and 40, you're showing up, you're going to reach 100 in no time. All right? You can do these little micro doses of exercise in between your day as well. Movement is medicine. I can't tell you how powerful movement is. If you've been caged and you become a prisoner of Instagram, most of you are confused right now. You're trying to fit into someone else's way of working out. You're trying to fit into someone else's life. What's worked for that person doesn't have to work for you. But yes, we can look around. We can say, hey, that makes sense. Let me try that. Wow, it's working for me. Let me continue doing it, not blindly follow. There are just too many sheep out there. We don't want to become sheep because we have a conscious mind. We have intelligence. You look at information, you take it, you process it, and figure out this is going to work for me. Let's do it. We don't blindly follow. All right, let's get straight into our breath works. It's very simple. We inhale through our nostril. At the end of the inhale, we take 2 sharper inhales. So it's like, we open our mouth, we let it out with a sigh. We just let it out with a ha sound. All right, let's do 3 of them right now. 3, 2, 1, inhale. Number 2. And number 3. Three powerful breaths. How do you feel right now? Come on, tell me, how do you feel? Amazing, right? You see now your heart rate comes right down. This is a powerful breath work to do. We've just done 3. Imagine what happens when you do 5, when you do 10 of them. I love doing it before bedtime. You sleep like a baby. I like doing it when I'm stressed out. I like doing it after a couple of consults. When I have too much of, other people suffering in my head and it's just chaotic, I do a couple of these deep breaths and, you just feel relaxed. It's like a natural recharge. All you got to do is do it. It doesn't cost you money. In fact, most of these things are free. Healthcare becomes expensive when we stop doing the things that we should be doing, which are usually free. I hope all of you have a great week. Tomorrow we turn up for day 20. We're going to be here tomorrow, 100 skips before coffee, chai. Go out and enjoy your coffee and chai right now. You've earned it.